Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're finally back on the road. I haven't uploaded in a while, just been busy with a few things, and then I've also been doing a lot of the maintenance on my truck because it's hit 150,000 kilometers. So there was a lot of maintenance that needed to get done to it. So yeah, I dealt with that one, and yeah, it's honestly, the truck's running a lot better now than it did before. We're actually just on the road to Harrison Lake. Still debating whether or not I'm going to be camping tonight. If not, it's just going to be a day trip. I'm meeting Jack and Mark at Sasquatch Inn. A few of my friends have already gone ahead of us yesterday and either camped at 20 Mile Bay or North Chehalis. In this trip, I'm actually trying out my new Sony a6400 camera that I bought like a week ago. Comment down below if you guys like the quality a lot better than my GoPro Max. I might shoot with this camera a lot more in the future. After chilling for a bit at the Sasquatch Inn, we started heading towards the trailhead of the West Harrison FSR. We reached 20 Mile Bay, but our friends weren't there, so we started heading out towards North Chehalis. Everyone got their setup ready and started cooking late lunch. Hey, Rach. Before I started getting my stuff ready, I decided to walk around for a little bit. It was supposed to be sunny today, but we were covered with gray clouds. Welcome to fall weather in the lower mainland, I guess. I started heading back to get my setup ready. You guys gonna go catch a fish? Yeah. Find some juice. All right, here's the setup for my laptop here. The tote over there with all my camping stuff, extra clothes, and then in the back is where I'm going to be sleeping, facing the lake over there. Reason why I'm sleeping in the back is no more RTT tent. So yeah, just going to be sleeping in the back. Rach just cooked up a Japa Dog style hot dog. Thanks, Rach. I'm going to devour this right now. And then yeah, probably get, I also bought like smokies as well too, so I'm probably just gonna be eating smoky the whole time. Yeah. After eating my lunch, I went to the shoreline of the lake where Chris and Merrick were fishing. After all that fishing, we started cooking dinner. It's okay. Since it's fall, we had an early sunset. It's such a nice sight to see when the sun disappears behind the mountains. After the night fell, we gathered around the campfire.
Being overlooked in a sense, and like I'm at a point where I just need to fucking pull on the side.
I caught up with my friends that I haven't seen in a while, and also got to know the new people in our group. We ate, we drank, we laughed, and we partied all through the night. The sun was shining bright when I woke up the next morning. It was super windy all through the night that it blew most of our stuff around. I had to leave early this morning, so I packed up my stuff and left with Merrick, Roxanne, and their friends. Anyways, guys, that will do it for the video. It's been nice seeing some of my friends that I haven't seen in a while since I actually haven't been out camping or doing any day trips. It was good to catch up and yeah, just have a good night with them. If you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so and you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel. At this time, my uploads have been very sporadic, so I'll try my best at least to upload once a week. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any new videos. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome.